Atiq, basically, it comes in many meanings. One of the meanings is someone who has been set free. One of the hadiths uses the same words. It says, Anta atiqullahi minan nar, that Allah has set you free from the fire. And it comes that when Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala was to be born, his mother in her previous pregnancies had experienced that any child that would be born would not live for long. So she went to Baitullah Sharif and she made a dua that, Ya Allah, if you give me a son, then set him free from death. So, and of course when he was born after that, he got a long life. So one of the title that was given to him was Atiq, right? He was an all-weather friend of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are certain people who are fair-weather friend. They are with you as the tide is high, and as soon as things start getting low, they leave soonest they can. But Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was an all-weather friend, and he stayed with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in all circumstances, whether it was the toughness that was given, the tough time that the Quraysh were giving to him, or even in any battles, and even in the good times when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was coming to Makkah as a conqueror, he was also with them. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu was such a staunch supporter of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that there was a time when kuffar, they were giving a tough time to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Abu Bakr Siddiq came to him and he stood in between them and the kuffar and tried to divert the discussion towards himself. So kuffar warned him that, move away, otherwise you're going to get it from us as well. So he basically made Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam go away, and he stood and took all the beating from, so much so that he actually fainted. He got so badly beaten. And when he was taken home, and was after a while when he came back into his senses, the first question he asked was that, is Rasulullah fine or not? That is how much he stood up for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at all times. He has been given the honor that 4 generations of Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq were Sahabi. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he has been mentioned in 181 ahadith, out of which there are some ahadith in which both Abu Bakr Siddiq and Umar radiallahu ta'ala have been mentioned. And when I say they have been mentioned, it means these are the ahadith in which the greatness of Abu Bakr Siddiq is mentioned. So in some of those out of the 181, some have come with Abu Bakr Siddiq and Hazrat Umar together. 14 of them are such in which all 4 Khulafai Arba, they have been mentioned. So the first 4 caliphs, they have been mentioned. And the remaining are those in which only Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq are mentioned alone. So 181 ahadith in which Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam have praised Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu.